Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to cook pap. It's also called Sadza or Isitshwala depending on where you're watching from. On the stovetop I've got a boiling pot of water and this is my mealie meal, and these are the utensils that we'll use. If you do not have this, you can use a whisk to do the step that's following. So using your whisk or your wooden utensil, you'll put about a plate, depending on the amount of water that you have. You whisk. It needs to be like a thickish porridge, not too thick. So you continue whisking until it starts to simmer like that. Then we'll let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Put a lid on. Now 15 minutes is up. Let's get to the next stage of preparing our pap. Be careful not to burn at this stage. You add in your mealie meal. Sometimes it's messy preparing your pap, but it's always worth it. So you continue adding your mealie meal a bit at a time so that you get to the consistency that we're looking for. So we serve this in Africa with relish, beef stew, chicken stew, vegetables. Now our pap is almost ready. So at this stage, we'll cover up our pot for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. And we reduce our heat to the lowest so that it doesn't burn. Now 15 minutes is up. Let's mix our pap for the last time before serving. We're serving it with the chomolia that we prepared earlier. And the carpenter that we prepared earlier as well. So if you missed the video for carpenter, please go back and watch it to see how we prepared the carpenter. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our page. Cheers.